Okay, guys, so this is just another part of the Casey's shopping spree when it comes to car parts for his rebuild. So, and guess what? He ordered more stuff. So, let's just get right to it and show you what he got. You probably know what this is. For those of you who have ordered this part before, I'll let you guess which version he got. Always excited when there's car parts here at the front door. Oh, check this out. Wasn't expecting this, but we got a new subscription box from the Car Gazette. All right, so this one is coming to you from Subispeed. This is how it was shipped to us. So as you can see, there was no tape on the box. You can just open it. So a little disappointed in that, but if there's Laffy Taffy in there, I'll feel a little bit better. We got another small box. I don't know what this is, but we'll open it and find out. Alright guys, check it out. I got another shipment from the Car Gazette. So if you're not familiar with the Car Gazette, they are an automotive subscription box that provides you with premium automotive products on a monthly basis, starting at $14.99. Not only that, they also ship internationally. So let's see what they sent us this month. Alright, you guys have seen this before, but so let's get to the good stuff. Oh yeah. Nicely packaged too. Oh look, we got looks like a socket holder. Let's see, Chemical Guys Speed Wipe. Pretty cool. Always nice to get car care products in your subscription box. So we got a sticker. Oh, Fast and Furious R34 Car Gazette card. Oh, Too Fast, Too Furious air freshener. I wonder what this smells like. Can't really tell through the bag. And let's see, another microfiber towel. Cool. Let's see here. Remember the Buster. Oh, that's pretty cool. Another homage to the Fast and Furious Paul Walker. Oh, check that out. Nice cool shirt with the R34 from Fast and Furious. Gallo 12, Gallo 24. If you guys have seen the movie, you guys will know what this is referencing. But yeah, it looks like that's all in the September subscription box from the Car Gazette. Go ahead and check them out. I'll put the link in the description below. Alright, so up next, you guys have seen this around. These are the Subispeed taillights. These are the clear lens with the matte black base. Yeah, so I think these are the new versions, which doesn't require a wiring harness, so they're pretty much plug and play. But the only thing I will say about this, I was kind of disappointed because when we got the box, there was no tape on the box. You can easily open it up, so luckily everything was in the box as far as I know. But yeah, Subispeed taillights. I talked to Casey about getting the new versions that are coming out, and he said he prefers these ones more than the newer versions. So there it is, nothing new, just Subispeed tails. I gotta do this quick, it's getting dark. So next, we just have Laffy Taffy. But no, there's more in the box. You guys have seen it in the beauty clips. But these are replacement fog lights for Casey's STI, and these are actually a halo. So these are the ones that he wanted, so it looks like these would probably be pretty cool. We'll wait to see how they look when we install it. Casey, I'm stealing your Laffy Taffy, dude. Sorry, man. Oh, I forgot to mention, the big box below, that is the APR GTC 300. You guys have seen that on my cart. It's the same wing that I have on mine, so I'm not going to take out all the wrapper and all that stuff, so we'll install that probably later on down the line, so keep a lookout for a video on that. All right, as you saw, the FedEx guy just came in. Apparently, we got more parts coming in, so one of them I already opened. So let's see what we got here. Well, I opened up the box, but I don't know what this is. From Cosworth? And, oh yeah, that's right. I did open this one up. So this one is fuel pump. So Casey ordered 2 of them. So there's one. And there's 2. Cool. So if he ordered the fuel pumps came in, that means something else would have came in. This box right here is coming from Radium Engineering. Let's see what's in the box. Looks like everything is nicely packed from Radium Engineering. Looks like it's more fuel stuff. Oh, check this out. There you go. So I think the fuel pumps are going to go in here. And yeah, so dual fuel pump setup. Awesome. This part also came in. I actually opened it. I didn't think it was car parts, but these are, I think they're the 1700cc injectors. Check it out. I'm gonna leave them in the packaging for now. Keep them nice and clean. So there you go. As far as fuel upgrades, that's what Casey got. And we have 1, 2, 3 more boxes to go. Oh my God, no he didn't. Casey ordered a clutch. So I was talking to Casey and I said, you want all this power, do you have a clutch to support it? And he said, oops. Oh yeah, it sure is. I have a release bearing, alignment tool. Let's see here, pilot bearing, and your clutch disc. So, and yep, 2 more to go, guys. 2 more. Oh, so once I show you this. This is totally different. This is interior stuff. So here we go. We got some Sparco seat brackets. So driver and passenger. So this one might be related to the other part. Yeah, these are all the brackets. Not the brackets, but the seat mounts and the sliders from Sparco. So pretty much the same ones that you saw when I installed my bread seat. So really not much to see there. Ordered something from Super Pro. Didn't know he was getting this. Oh, okay. These are the lower control arms. Got it. Cool. So lower control arms because he's upgrading his suspension seat. And we'll show you that when it comes in. But yeah, there's actually one more box that came in, but we're gonna save that one for another day because that's gonna be a separate video. Okay, one more, I swear, and we should be done for today. Let's see what we got. Oh, okay. Oh, it looks like we got some spark plugs, blow-off valve, and one of the most important parts that we got for the project is the actual head gaskets. Check that out. Cool. So that's this week's unboxing. More to come. So thanks for watching. This is going to be one long build series. I'm going to try to give you guys the best quality I can in this series. So anyways, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later. Peace out.